What is going on, guys? Thank you guys for checking out the video, checking out the channel. Since you clicked this video, you might as well click that subscribe button. As you can see, I got my twin here. And I don't even I'll let you take over because I don't even know how to describe.
I don't know how to describe it.
What we're about to.
First off, I want to talk about. So, remember a couple years back? Remember the PlayStation PGs, the Paul George shoes with the PlayStation fonts and the buttons, and it came with the big bag and all that.
Right.
That was the last time, in my knowledge, a console really did some collaboration with some shoes or backpack. But from the looks of it, Xbox been trying to. I don't know. Xbox been kind of.
They really coming at PlayStation head.
I even been thinking about getting one. Don't hold me to that. But apparently they got a fridge right now, Xbox fridge. I don't know what all features come with it. I don't know if it's super crazy smart or what. But yeah, they got them a fridge.
Xbox X.
Got them a refrigerator.
A
refrigerator.
And you know what? We didn't talk long enough. Let's just show you guys what we're talking about. Let's check it out.
Forklift sound. I'm tired of that sound. I don't want to hear that beat.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that neither. That made me think of me loading the truck. It's big as hell because this one
had 2 pallets.
Yeah, it's on double pallets.
Those look like the lightweight ones though. So I'm wondering, do you literally get the box? Well, no, that's a dumb question.
My thing is, dude, can you imagine how many people are gonna grab that fridge? Think of the extreme gamers. You know, they are going to. Might do. They probably do. Yeah. That shit is crazy, man. Look at that.
That's pretty
dude.
tall, though. That's at least 6 feet. That's like 6'2", 6'3". I like the green light inside. Now that's dope.
Right. You're right.
Hello, next thing you may say they will
You see the little Xbox on the inside of it.
You must be on quite the journey.
Where are we? I'm going to play it my way.
The line between light and dark is so very thin.
We need a fight. Get ready.
London will be the first city in the world to be made truly safe.
This is like game.
They're gonna mess up my tomatoes.
Dream,
We'll crush our enemies.
I think it was less than a week. A couple of days ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know.
It's decent that they dropped around Halloween because Xbox kind of go with Halloween. PlayStation, they more blue, they more spring type.
Right. Oh man.
I don't know, that's pretty tall though. Only certain amount of people gonna want that in their house.
Xbox X.
That's tough. That's tough.
So I give the flow to you. What you think?
What you gonna rate it out of? I mean, me personally, I was an Xbox person in the 360 era, but I wasn't into the gadgets that they sponsor with. So like me personally, if I'm generally rating it, it looked like a dope fridge. So I rated like a 9. But would I personally buy it? Nah, I don't need no Xbox fridge.
Dude, listen to me. The gamers games.
They is gonna be in all the gaming houses.
Exactly, like,
I
dude.
can picture that. I can see that.
I don't even remember how old. I think I was maybe 10. And I remember going maybe way out to Skokie or somewhere around Bolingbrook or Northbrook area to one of my friend's relatives' house. And we ended up going to a neighbor's house. And when we went in the basement, this dude actually had the arcade games in his basement.
I meant to tell you.
And his door had like the wrapping of the Atari on it. You know what I'm saying? And he graffiti spray painted like the Mario Brothers character, Pac-Man character on his refrigerator that he had in that basement. And we're talking about what, 88, 89, maybe 90, somewhere around there? So, like, can you imagine if you're a gamer's gamer, you seen that and you just lost your mind?
No, we sitting there talking about Xbox and PlayStation and the prices, but we got arcade games at Sam's Club right now. We got an NBA Jam one and a Street Fighter. The very first one we had was Pac-Man, but guess how much all of them are?
How much all?
500.
Right, they gonna cost.
Now Street Fighter and Pac-Man, I don't want to say NBA Jam not worth it, but Pac-Man and Street Fighter, they got all the old school Street Fighters. NBA Jam is just NBA Jam, but it's NBA Jam.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. They say you can play online with. But I looked up the price. It's $500. I don't know. We might have to make that. I don't know.
Well, I'm very, very impressed with the Xbox X.
Yeah, I didn't see this coming. I
had no idea this was coming. You know, happy Halloween, guys. 'Cause this definitely was a treat. And man, that's why I told you, like, this gaming haven't been this competitive, dude, since Nintendo and Sega. That's how long it's been for me. For you, the only thing you really couldn't.
I'll say more for me, like in the middle, like in the compact war, PS3 versus Xbox 360. Because remember, we used to play both crazy. I could never choose.
But
it's like I would play COD on Xbox then, but no, because I used to play Black Ops on PlayStation 2. So it's like I could never. When it came to 360 and PlayStation, I really could never choose. I really couldn't.
But another thing too, when you were coming up, I never brought one system. We always got everything. We got the Xbox, we got the PlayStation, we had got the GameCube, the PSP.
The Wii, I really feel like it needs to be a new Wii. The Wii is cool.
Perfect example, the Wii.
Yeah, they need to make a Wii where we can play in HD at this point. Keep all the same games, but make an HD feature. If you say you ain't have fun with the Wii, I'm just gonna stop talking to you. That's pretty much
Yeah, what we was playing?
everything.
The bowling,
iFit, whatever we had.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Wii Resort, tennis, bowling, darts, anarchy, they start getting it all. Even 8-ball. Everything.
Yeah.
Literally.
Man, dude.
Now they want to have us play this on our phones. See? They want us to play it individually. They don't want us with a console with it like that. You see?
Right.
No, I'm joking, but kind of not.
But yeah, man, this right here, this was a treat for all of y'all, because it was definitely a treat for us. Man, dude, this to me it blew me away. It blew me away. Didn't have no idea it was coming. You know, PlayStation, I got to come with some. I got to come back. This is a battle.
They probably ain't gonna do it right away. You never know. They might got something up their sleeve.
And we want to see. You know, y'all steady throwing things at us. We want to see. We want to. We in this war with y'all. We don't know how to choose right now.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
The PlayStation, I don't know if you noticed, that PlayStation is big, dude.
Yeah, I see it.
I heard it's bigger than the 3 and the 4 almost put together.
Yeah, I see that. I wish we could have got a pre-order, but
You
I
never know if we still gonna get
checked out. I can't think of dude's name channel real quick. He did an unboxing.
I don't know. I'm gonna stand mine up because it looked a little bit too big.
So yeah, I seen the unboxing. He did the measurements and stuff.
I ain't see it. I need to do this. Well, I don't really need to see it.
But man, this thing has blown us away. Xbox X refrigerator. Xbox X refrigerator, man. Man, if you like this video, which you should, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to comment and share. Anything you want to say, man. Besides Xbox X refrigerator.
If y'all want to see me teach them how to play Among Us, like and subscribe. A lot of people know what that is. You probably don't know what that is.
I sure don't.
But if y'all want to see me teach them how to play Among Us, like and subscribe.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel, man. And we out of here.